Last month alone, I pulled in over $35,000, and I literally did it all from my phone while sitting on my couch. Crazy, right? And today, I'm gonna break down step by step exactly how I'm doing it so you can just copy the whole thing and start cashing in too. Look, what I do is run a bunch of YouTube Shorts channels, just like this one you're watching right now, that are racking up hundreds of millions of views every single month. And the wildest part, I've never once shown my face on camera, not a single time. Zero face, zero filming myself, nothing. Why? Because YouTube has quietly flipped the switch and they're now paying creators hundreds of dollars for every single million views a short gets. I'm talking real AdSense money hitting the bank every month, and it's only getting bigger. But here's the part literally nobody is talking about yet. You can crank out these viral shorts in like 5 to 10 minutes flat using nothing but AI. No editing skills, no fancy equipment, no spending hours hunting for clips, just AI doing 99% of the work for you. So let me lay out exactly how I'm doing it right now in real time so you can go do the exact same thing tonight. Step 1, pick a niche for your channel. Hands down, ranking style videos like top 10 whatever or top 15 craziest moments, these are crushing it harder than anything else on shorts right now. They go viral like clockwork. Step 2, once you've picked your niche, think about what your video is going to be about. For the purpose of this video, I am doing the ranking niche. Step 3, decide what your ranking video is gonna be about. Top 10 biggest NBA dunks of the year, top 15 luxury cars celebrities crash, top 20 scariest things caught on Ring cameras, whatever, pick something people are already searching for and losing their minds over. Step 4, jump on TikTok real quick, type in your topic, sort by most viewed, and start scrolling until you find 5, 10, 15 banger clips that fit perfectly. The ones with millions of views already, those are gold, copy those links. Step 5, go over to a video downloader website and download the video in full quality, then head over to CapCut or Premiere Pro and put your 5 clips together just like how they are in a real ranking video. After that, just add the text and sound effects and you're good. Step 6, upload that bad boy straight to your new shorts channel, add a title and a few hashtags related to your niche and boom, you're done. One video, maybe 10 minutes of actual work, that's literally it. I've got one single channel doing this exact method that's already paid me over $50,000 in the last 6 months alone. One channel and I've got a bunch more doing the same thing. Go set it up, post your first one tonight. If you don't get any views, don't give up. It isn't an overnight success, big things take big time. Stay consistent and you'll see results. If you want to learn how to do what I do and learn exactly how I was able to pull in 300 million views, then join my free Discord community in my bio. Remember, stay strong.